Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. And for additional readings, you can also follow me on Instagram. The link of that is also given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see, Cancerians. What are the energies for you, Cancerians? Let's see. Okay. Messages from this deck for Cancerians. Okay. Oh. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Messages from the universe for Cancerians. Okay. So, Cancerians, you are very well equipped with the resources and you're waiting for the right timing, or you're trying to choose between the two situations. You are ready for a new journey basically, and there are some sort of obstacles which you need to overcome before you rather while you are moving in this journey. Okay, so you're definitely waiting for something and waiting for the right time, perhaps waiting for the right opportunity, perhaps. But yes, you are very well equipped and resourceful, waiting for something. You are being very, very guarded and perhaps even manipulative to some extent. You are not showing off your emotions, you are not uh, showing whatever you have in your mind, being a little calculative, sort of, at least guarded, and you are uh, actually you're being cold on someone. That's what I feel. You are being cold, perhaps cold, rude, or too blunt, or too straightforward, something like that. But you are being very, very cold to someone and very guarded also. And what I feel here is that this is the energy for your emotions. You are guarding your emotions because you are waiting for perhaps the right time to show them, or maybe for the right person to show them. and this is, it's coming out of as a cold. You are making the other person, whosoever is involved in the situation, as if you don't have any emotions for them, a very cold type of an energy, or maybe even cutting them off to some extent, not no not communicating properly, or very less communication, is something like that. So basically you are waiting for the right time or the right person to come in to show your emotions, or maybe because of some situation you are hiding your emotions temporarily, as for now, and you are coming off as very cold basically. That's what is happening. And this energy of yours, that you are coming off as a cold to the other person, this person feels ignored, they feel rejected, whosoever this person is, or you feel the same way, because the other person is also mirroring you. The other person here with the Queen of Swords, we have the King and the Queen of Swords. You are dealing with somebody, and both of you are not showing your emotions. Both of you are, maybe the situation has turned worse, something has happened in your life which has led to some sort of a dispute, or something which is not very happy for both of you, and that is why both of you are sort of being very guarded. Communication is very less, and both of you are being cold on each other. Actually, that's what I'm trying to say. Both of you are being cold towards each other. Both of you are guarding your emotions, and with the Judgment, there is some sort of a decision which needs to be taken, maybe in this situation or in your life, but some sort of a situation is demanding a decision, and it is a new opportunity. Now it is a new opportunity which is being given to you by the universe, and this new opportunity, the decision you make at this opportunity, okay, that is very vital and crucial for your life actually. Okay, so the decision obviously you have to make. Okay, it is an opportunity which is being given by the universe to you, to either to move ahead. It's uh, it's sort of, it's an opportunity to move ahead one more time, or start something new, or start something new in your life once more time. It is a chance, it is a sort of a rebirth. You get one more chance by the universe. Okay, now you have an opportunity to amend whatever you want to amend and start new. It's something like that. And what the decision which you make here is moving towards peace. So you are moving away from perhaps this situation in which nobody is going to show their emotions, and you feel left out, and both of you are perhaps feeling left out. So maybe you take this the decision. What I feel is that you choose to walk away from this situation which is not helping you in any way. It is not giving you any reward. It is not both of you are not opening up, and that is why it's just not this relationship is just not happening. This situation is just not moving ahead, and the decision is being given to you to change your life once more. Okay, and the decision which you take, what I feel here is that you are moving away from this situation, and you move towards something else or somebody else, and you offer your emotions, or you start investing in something new. Okay, something new or somebody new. Okay, that's what you are doing. You are stepping up. You are discussing with your friends, perhaps maybe with your trustworthy people, maybe your family. You are it's sort of a secret meeting, and you are discussing something with your trustworthy people. So you're leaving this situation behind. That's what I feel. And you decide of moving in a new direction, investing emotionally in something new or somebody new. And there is some sort of a discussion over here, and here this is what you come to towards the Two of Cups. This is ultimately your happiness, your emotional fulfillment. So in this relationship, now you find emotional fulfillment, and you are happy with this person, whosoever you are moving towards now. And with the wheel of the reading is ending here with the two major cards. Judgment also is a major card, a wheel of fortune and the stars. So wishes are being fulfilled, things are moving forward, and things are taking a turn. So I think you are deciding to come out of this cold energy and the coldness of this situation, because it's of no help to you. Moving in a different direction, moving towards something new, somebody new, and here you find the love of your life or relationship of your life, whatever, which is going to give you a lot of happiness. Your wishes coming true, basically. Things are taking a turn and wishes are coming true. And here these two cards I pulled out, both of them, the Jack of Hearts and the King of Hearts, both of them talk about moderation, trying to contemplate on the things, reviewing the details, reviewing the things, and trying to balance the situation. And both of them have the same vibe, same energy, and the same colors to it, which what the thing, the message which comes out over here is that you are trying to balance the situation and moderating the situation, reviewing all the details, contemplating and moving ahead. That's what you are doing, and it's a very beautiful thing. Six of Thought, peaceful times are on the horizon, the storms have passed, and now you can see that the destination is within sight. The stress in your life will begin to fade away, allowing for happier times. It may be necessary to take a journey over water or another country. So what did I say? The peaceful times are on the horizon, because once you decide to move away from this negative situation. The destination is within the sight, the storms have passed, and happy times are lying ahead. Okay, now this is talking about movement also. Maybe you are moving towards peaceful times mentally, or maybe actually you are relocating or moving to some other place, or maybe within the same cities, can be anything. Number 37 or number 10 or number 1 may be of some significance for you. Act as if your partner is here. Whether you have someone in your life or not, act as if they are with you, so that you will always consider them. So basically the message which is coming across is that be considerate of the other person. Whatsoever the situation is, be considerate of the situation, be considerate of the emotions and the feelings of yourself, of the other person, and so that you are able to take the right decision. Because when you take into consideration the other aspect of the situation and the feelings of the other person, then you are in a better position to make the right decision. So that's what you need to do. Be considerate to yourself, be considerate to the other person, and you will see that you will be able to pick yourself up from this negative feeling which you have suffered with the Five of Pentacles. You'll pick yourself up beautifully, Cancerians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.